Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another price action trading hint, and I'm going to show you how to trade properly, yes, in ranging market. You see here, that is one of my BOTT mentorship program students, yes, who has almost reached the fourth week of my BOTT mentorship program, yes, a 4-week crash course, and you can still apply for it to be in this kind of BOTT mentorship program, yes, by doing nothing else than sending me an empty email with the subject BOTT mentorship program to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. Yes, and this student here has applied those concepts which I'm explaining over and over again in my videos and also in my ebooks, yes, in the BOTT price action bible and so on, and also in my video packs. Those kind of trades. Look at this. We have here ranging market. Let me show you this. Here, this Bollinger Band. Here we have the 2 deviation Bollinger Bands. Yes, here 2 deviation Bollinger Bands. 1 deviation Bollinger Band. Yes, and we are doing this here. He's trading on pocket option, and you can use it at any kind of broker, any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument. Yes, and so he is using pocket option, and you see this kind of area here where the 2 deviation Bollinger Band is, this here, this flat 2 deviation Bollinger Band is showing you a nice resistance area. Yes, you see here, this flat over a few candles is showing you a nice resistance area. Here we have a flat Bollinger Band for a few candles. Yes, here 5-6 candles. This is a nice support level. So what does it mean? If you have this kind of trading range, you can do puts and calls like my student, yes, of the BOTT mentorship program has explained. I do here puts and I do here calls, yes, and that is what is. It's a ranging market, the price in a trend channel, in a trading range, and he did a put option here, yes, outside of this trading range, like I have explained in my ebook. So the BOTT price action bible. Get the BOTT price action bible. You'll find the link in the description. I will show you now exactly what he has applied here, and he has done this not only once, he has done it twice. Yes, because as long the price is in this kind of trading range, you can do this kind of trades which I have explained. This is not only valid for a ranging market, it's also valid for consolidation areas, yes, because consolidation areas are nothing else than ranging market in lower time frames. So let me show you this. He did a put here because he understood that this flat Bollinger Band is showing a resistance level. He entered here into a put, and that trade gone in the money, yes, because price will trace back in this trade, in the trading range, yes, in this trend channel, and got this in the money. And here you would do calls. So let me see if I can show you also the other one. That was the next trade. You see the same day, the same thing, yes, and he has done here. That was the previous one he had traded, and then price moved again out of this trend channel. Yes, here you see this is support and resistance. Here resistance, here support. Here we have another support, yes, and here we have another resistance. And those are areas which are really reliable. A much more longer price of the Bollinger Band is flat, yes, much more this area is reliable. There are also the extremers, for example this one here. This is extreme level 2, yes, you can use it also as a resistance level, yes, and that is what I have explained in my ebook. That are the trading hints, that is what I'm trying to explain you over and over again. So, this exhaustion candle is stopping exactly at key level. At this key level, yes, we have a flat Bollinger Band, which is showing you that we have this nice support level. On the next candle, he enters into a call option below the entry point, below the closing price of the previous candle, and get into this trade, and price will trace back into this trend channel, and he got this also in the money. So let me show you this in the ebook, yes, because I get so often the question, please show us those kind of concepts in the ebook, that in the BOTT Price Action Bible, and I will show you this now where this is. First of all, this kind of concepts are the most important ones. The first one is this one here, where we are talking about support and resistance level, how to trade in consolidation area and how to trade on support and resistance. You see here, consolidation area, enter above the key level, enter above the key level. Here this is a key level. If you're going to do a put, you have to enter above it. If you have to do a call, you enter below it. If you are in a consolidation area, if you have to do a put, you enter above this area. If you have to do a call, you enter below this area, okay? Then this kind of stuff here, where I talk about how to do trading when you have ranging market. In ranging market, you have to trade here. You see, flat EMAs, you have to trade here at the edges. If you have a Bollinger Band, here you have Bollinger Band. Ranging market, where you have to trade here. You see, here. I have always shown you this in my BOTT Price Action Bible. You find the link in the description. It's the ebook with the white ebook, yes. There is everything explained in detail. Obviously, there are a lot of more concepts which you have to apply to this, yes, but in general that was the most important part, and that's the reason why my student has done this. He wrote it down, yes, he wrote it down. Do call options here, do put options here. That is what I'm telling over and over again, and that is how you have to handle the ranging market. You can trade also at the one deviation at the middle Bollinger Band, but you have to be much more careful, and you need a reversal signal, okay? So that was already of this price action trading hint video, and that was it. And if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. That was how to trade the ranging market properly. Yes, that was a good example. And you see also here reversals at the one deviation, fake breakout of the one deviation with nice reversal signals here, yes, which you can do almost always. So let me see the next one here again. Here, a really ranging market that is also done. You can do this also on consolidation area. Okay, that was already. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.